Hey there guys, so today we're gonna try out TryHackMe recovery. So our friend Alex, it seems like he received an email from Theo. It shows that there's a recent security vulnerability that has been discovered that affect the web server. So Theo wants Alex to run the binary on the server to implement the fix. But over here it shows that the Linux binary is called fixutil. So as instructed, Alex ran the binary. Everything was good, but in the morning, you try to log into the SSH server. It shows that you didn't say the magic word. It kept on pop out. You didn't say the magic word. So, and then Theo tell Alex that the mail account has been hacked. So fixutil was a target malware binary to destroy the web server. Now Alex is in trouble, so Alex wants us to repair the web server from the damage caused by the fixutil malware. So he gave us the username and password, Alex, the password is Madeline. The binary we can find in home directory. So he also set up a control panel to track the progress on port 1337, so we can access the web browser to the port 1337. So when we repair the web server and refresh it, we will receive the flag. So let's try it out. So I have performed a port scanning over here. It shows that we got two ports only, port 22 and port 80. So let's try to SSH into the port 22 first. This Alex and this IP. Yes. Okay, Madeline. Okay. It seems like it keep on pop up. You didn't say the magic word. You didn't say the magic word. Okay. Seems like this one has been crashed. I need to close it first. And then we go back here. Then recovery. We try to check out the websites of port 80. Okay, this is the port 80. Everything has been encrypted. Okay. And we check out the 1337. It's been loading over there. Let's wait to finish loading first. Okay, so it shows that each time we remove the part of the malware and press the refresh, we will get a flag over here. We check out the page source code. It seems like it's not the correct way to hack this site, so this is not the part of the challenge. So we go back here, perform SSH, Alex, then the IP. As we know that normally when we execute our SSH, when we log in into the remote account, right, using SSH, it will first execute the .bashrc, the file first. So in this case, probably the .bashrc has been corrupted by the malware, so it will perform like doing a endless looping of echoing. So in this case, we try to bypass the one using bin bash. We execute the command bin bash. So in this case, it won't execute the .bashrc, right? Okay, Madeline. We try it out, see does it work out, ID, and it works. Okay, we try to backup this one first. Okay, and then we close this one, and then remove this one first, and log in normally. And voila, everything has been executed correctly. So we execute the vim. Okay, we check this one, go to the bottom then. Oops, it seems like something terminating automatically. Never mind, later in the check. So this is a line that you will keep on echoing the magic word, the string. So we replace this one. Backup. Okay, we try it out first. Okay, so everything's working fine right now. So just now, it seems like this time it shows the while loop the string, right, we need to remove it, because when we remote log into SSH server, it will execute the .bash rc this file first. So in this case, under there, it will keep on executing the while loop from echoing your magic word string. So we remove this one, and we can remote log in to Alex account normally. So we try enumerate from here first. I try to put my PSPY script. Okay, it seems like something came out auto locking out me from the account. Never mind, later we check it out. We go to script. Okay. Try to log into here first. We get our PSPY script. Okay. We try to monitor what are the things that are running at the background there. Okay, so this one run as a root user, execute root init script.sh. This one seems suspicious over here. Okay, and over here we found that this one execute as a root user, it will automatically execute this script. This one has been executed from the cron job, and the cron job will execute this script, the opt brilliant script.sh. Okay, so this one will be executed as a root user. Let's try to check it out here. What are the things over here? Okay, in the opt there's a brilliant script.sh, and then this is the .fixutil. But over here, the brilliant script.sh, we have the right permission. Yeah, before that, we need to refresh here first. See if we get the first flag. Yeah, this is the first flag from fixing the .bash rc. Okay, so now we try to cat this one first. Okay, for I get all the process and then kill everything else. No wonder our SSH this session has been killed, because this script are the one that executed by the cron job that kill everything else. So in this case, we need to replace the script first. We need to replace it to nothing. This one, we go to the opt back here. Echo. Okay. And then after we remove it, and we got another flag. So now we try to go back to here. We know that this is the malware binary, right? We try to copy this one to our local server first. Okay. I copy it back to my Kali Linux here. Okay, name it as fixutil.backup. Okay, I received a file already. Okay, so right now we need to perform reverse engineering on the binary file. So my Guidra, I need to launch my Guidra first. We use Guidra to perform the reverse engineering of this binary file. So the brilliant script has been empty right now, so it won't log out us from the SSH session, because the script has been removed already. So the cron job can't execute the command right now. Okay, now we need to wait our Guidra to spawn first. Yeah. Then we try to reverse engineer the fixutil backup file. We wait Guidra to launch first. It's going to take quite a while. Okay, finally. Opening project. We're ready for execute first. I need to close the code browser first. It takes quite a while to launch this one. Okay, no, I don't want to perform this one. Okay, so here we try to import the file. Go to the desktop and recovery. Fixutil the malware. We import here first. Okay. We place it to the dragon here. Okay, we analyze it. We wait to finish analyze first. This one is still running over here. Okay, so we want the main function. We check out the main function first. Okay, finish running, right? Okay, so here it seems like the malware, the fixutil malware, first we open the home alex bash rc file, and then it write this one, the line var do echo you didn't say the magic word, done. So it will keep on endless looping if we SSH session login into it. That's why it keep on will saying you didn't say the magic word. So this one we have removed it already, right? The second one it will do is the bin cp. It will copy the lib logging.so, this file, to the temp, name it as a logging.so, and then it open the lib logging.so here, the original file, and then it writes something else over here and close the file, and then you perform a system command execution, execute echo pawn, and then to this bin admin binary. So you try to get the bin admin binary first from a remote server. Okay. We get this one, and we perform reverse engineering on it again. Okay, so we got the file, and this one will be executed as a root user. It has a SUID bit over here, but never mind, we ignore it first. We perform a reverse engineering on it. Okay, import it. We open it up here, then we try to check it again, analyze it. Okay, this one 169, yeah. Okay, finish already. So we go to the main. We need to find the main first. That's the main. It seems like it doesn't perform the analysis on it, right? Auto analyze. Okay, where's my main? Close it first. Don't save. Don't save. Yes. Yes. We try to run again. Seems like just now there's some technical problem with it. And here's our main function. Okay, so what does the admin this binary does? First, it will put the string welcome to recovery soft administration tools. So we need to input the password. It seems like this is a password, right? I might go through here. This one is 100, the hex decimal value, and then this one get line. It seems like it get input from us. Over here, the first I thought that we need to perform a buffer overflow to exploit it to get the root, but in this case it's not the method to do it, because you know over here you get line, you all the string you input, it will place over here, and then local 20 will be the 100, this one the value. So in this case, it seems like this one is the protected, so it protects us from overriding the stack, the return address. So we can't override because it already limit already. The value that we can input is 100 hexadecimal, this much only. So in this case, okay, so the input value will place over here, it will perform a comparison with local 10 this variable, which is this one. So this is the password for it. But if we get the correct password, it shows that the session is currently under development, so there's nothing much over there. But in this case, if we enter the wrong password, it will show incorrect password, and this will be long, and it execute the command, this command. I need to go back here. The log incorrect attempt function, it will execute this one. So if you check over here, the string admin, we go back top here, we can see that this admin binary, it include liblogging.so, which this one we found over here. That's why the attacker, it copy this one, it try to corrupt this liblogging.so, this library file. So over here we try to get the corrupted liblogging.so, this file, and we perform a reverse engineering on it. So where's the location for it? Lib, this path, liblogging.so. Okay, we go to here, cd lib 36, okay, ls. So this is a file that has been corrupted. We try to pass this one to our local machine first. We remove everything else, and then we name it as liblogging.so.backup. Okay, we copy it over here already, then terminate it. Okay, everything's done. So we try to import to here first, to our Hydra. Okay, and then we place to the dragon again. Analyze, yeah. As you can see that over here, the attacker, they echo the wrong password to the bin admin this binary. So it seems that it want to trigger the else statement, else condition, to execute the log incorrect attempt this function. So we need to check out on this one first, the liblogging.so, this file. If we enumerate over here, we will find a function name. Where's the function? Yeah, this one, the log incorrect attempt, which is the same one with this one. So if we check over here, it seems like there's a lot of things over here. The first thing is, just now the attacker over here, he copy this one to here, right? The original liblogging.so file to the temp, and then over here it will move this one back to the library file, the original directory, and name it as old liblogging.so. It save it as a backup. So the next thing it will do is it open the root as a .ssh authorized key, it write its own public key into it. So you want to maintain access to enter into the corrupted machine again. And then you add a user named security and echo the hash for the security into the shadow file. This one, you use the command change password to append the hash into it. And if you notice that the UID is set is 0, which means that when the user log in to security user, it will automatically access as a root user. So this is another method you want to maintain the privilege. Another thing the attacker will do is it will execute this function XOR encrypt web files. If you check this one, it shows that just now we saw that the website is encrypted, right? So we go back here, we see if we create an encryption key directory, it seems like this where the encryption key will be stored, and then the opt.fixutil, okay, the same path that we found just now, and then in here it will have a backup.txt. So over here you will write all the encryption key into this backup.txt file, and then it will get the web files, which is all these files. I don't know how many files over there, but we ignore it first. Okay, you get all the web files, and then it perform an XOR over here. It will encrypt everything else with the key stored into the backup.txt, and then that's all it done. After finish executing this one, you go back here, it open, no, not this one. Yeah, this one. It open a file, opt brilliant script.sh, which is the one that keep on killing our process. So over here, it write the script to kill all the process that running background there, and then it added into the etc cron.d evil. So this is where it store the cron task. Okay, after you write here, and then chmod the brilliant script, this one. Okay, it seems like it give execute access to it. FFF, I think this is all the privilege that it give, and then it give the execute command to this one too, the cron job, the evil, this one. So this is all that we can get from the reverse engineering from it. So now we know that that's how the fixutil malware works, right? In this case, we need to fix it, but in this case, we need to get our root shell first. So we go back to the opt. As we notice that this one, it will be executed as a root user, right? So we try to edit this one to get our reverse shell. Later the cron job will execute this one as a root user. Okay, now we have edited the script. Now we need to wait for the cron job to execute it. Every single minute it will execute the brilliant script. So we wait for it to execute the brilliant script. Later we will get our root shell over here. We try to, not this one, we try to refresh this one. Okay, the next flag we still haven't get it yet. Never mind. Let's see what it will do first over here. Okay, so this is where our root shell is. Okay, so now I'm in the root, right? SSH. Okay, first we will see this one is save the old logging.so this file at here, right? So in this case, we need to move this one to replace it with the original file first. Then the attacker has corrupted it. So we go to the lib. Okay, and then move all lib logging.sh. Is it? Oh, lib logging.sh, not sh, so to lib logging.so. Okay, we replace this one with the original lib logging.so file first, and we get our flag 2. The second thing the attacker did is it write its own public key into the root SSH authorized key this file. So we go back to the root, go to the SSH. Okay, we echo empty into the authorized key first to replace this one to now, to empty. So okay, it's empty right now. We refresh this one and we get our another flag. in this case we try to check, but before we perform all this stuff, I try to get my own key first, because I want to get a more stable shell, right? So I try to write my own public key into it, and then this one is recovery SSH keygen, okay, root RSA, okay, and then I copy all this stuff, echo into it. Okay, then echo into it already. Now we try to log in using our own public key, our own private key, and the IP for it is 71.177. And we got our root shell. Over here, we know that the attacker will add a user, right? So normally the user that has been added will be added into the etc passwd. So we check the etc.passwd, and here's the security user that has a UID 0. So in this case, we try to use vim to edit it. Go to the down part. Okay, we delete this string, and then we escape, we write it. The next thing is the etc shadow will be storing the hash for it. So we use vim again. Okay, so that's the security in the user hash, so we remove it too. Okay, write it and quit it, and refresh, and we got our flag 4. Another thing that the user will do is it will encrypt all the website files, right? So in this case, this is where it will store all the files it will encrypt, right? So we need to find where's the file first. Use a command find name. We know that the first page will be the index.php, right? And then that's where it stores the files. So we cd into it. Okay, so there's 3 files over here: index.html, really important.txt, and this one. Okay, so we try to check this one first, the index. Okay, it has been encrypted. Okay, so just now we know that. Okay, we go back to here, the encryption key directory. So this is the place that it will store all the encryption keys, and we know that the encryption type that it uses is XOR. So as we know that XOR, we can encrypt and decrypt it back, right? So go to here, this one I can access it. This one I go to fixutil cat backup.txt. So it seems like this is the, what's that called, the encryption key for it. Okay, so we go back to here. This is all the files over here, right? We use star to backup everything else first, and this one is, I will name it as backup.tar, backup everything else. Okay, and then cd to my recovery. Okay, so now over here, good, and see. Okay, pass this one to my local machine first. Okay, close it. Okay, same file length. Create directory for it. Okay, use star to unzip it again. Okay, so there's all the files. Now we use cyberchef. First, we know that the encryption type is XOR, right? The second thing is that this is the key for it. And the second thing, we need to put this one to cyberchef first. First is XOR. XOR, and then with the key, this one is UTF-8. And then I need to import all my files. So recovery, test, open this one. As you can see that after decrypt it, this is the original content for it. So I'll copy the raw input, go back to here, I use win. First this is my echo first. Remove everything else first. Index, paste it. Okay, and the second file, and put this one, really important. So this is the text for it. Copy it. Okay. Okay, done. And then echo again to do. And then again to do. Import here, select to do. So this is the text for it. Okay, so now we have successfully fixed all the files over here. So everything is not encrypted. We try to check and see the website first. Okay, cool, everything has been done. So okay, refresh here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems like we still haven't captured our last flag yet. Let's try and check and see what are the things that I have missed. This one done. Okay, it seems like I replaced the wrong thing over here. Not really important. I just like to do. That's my to do. Oh, this is my to do. Okay, break it. Okay, so just now I placed the wrong thing in the to do. So we place the correct script first, the decrypted files, and then we try to refresh it, and we got our final flag, which is the flag 5. So that's how we can recover the server from getting infected by fixutil, this malware. So now we have helped Alex to solve this problem, and his web server can go online right now normally. So that's all for my video. Thanks guys, bye bye.